What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today I've got this piece of log that I'm gonna attempt to cut a chunk off of and turn a bowl. I've never turned a bowl before, but I've watched a few YouTube videos, so we'll see how this goes. I think this wood is weathered. It's been sitting outside for a while, so there might be some cracks, there might be some checks, there might be some stuff that I might or might not be able to salvage. So I'm pretty sure this piece of wood is still green, so today might just be a rough turning of it. We might come back to it later and do a final turning after it warps and all that, but let's get this thing cut up and see what happens. Let's go. All right, guys, this one was a learning experience. I had a lot of fun with it, even though it was challenging. It was my first one ever. Here is the cup, or what should have been a bowl, or whatever you want to call it. You can see it's far from perfect. It's got its issues. There's the inside, the bottom's all kinds of messed up. But I did learn. So there was this one. I'm gonna set this one off to the side. I did turn another one off camera. This one looks more like an actual bowl. I left a little bark in there. This one looks a little better. There's the inside. There's the bottom. So I turned this one off camera. Again, this one's still not perfect, but it looks a lot better than this one. You can see there's the comparison here. But yeah, these won't be my last cups or bowls or whatever you want to call these. They're a lot of fun. Like I said, it was a learning experience. I really enjoy it. Now I just need a bigger bandsaw so I can make bigger bowls. But hopefully that'll come in good time. I do want to let you guys know that I am on Patreon. If you look up Crosscut Creations on Patreon, I'm over there if you want to support me that way. I'll also have the link in the description. Additionally, I have revamped my website, especially the store portion of it. So if you're in the market for a pen or pen blanks, I have those items individually listed on my website. So now you can look at exactly what you're getting. So check that out. It's cross-cut-creations.com. Those are over there. You can check out the store, like I already mentioned. You can watch YouTube videos. You can do all kinds of fun stuff. You can read the articles that I write for these videos, and it's just a good time over there. So if you like this video, give it the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment down below. I do answer all my comments. And share the video, do all that fun YouTube stuff, and we'll see you next time.